How are you all? I hope all of you are doing fine at home. So in our previous video we have gone through some question answers of exercise 3.2. Now let's go to the question number 4. So just read out the question. What the question is saying. The question number 4 is saying, on comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find whether the pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, then obtain the solution graphically. Means first of all, these two equations we have. From these two equations, what we are going to do, we are going to find out whether it is consistent or inconsistent. If it is consistent, so we are going to find the solution, means the value of x and y graphically. So first of all, let's find out it is consistent or inconsistent. So how we will find? So first of all, we are going for its cases. So here the coefficient of x is your a1 is your 2, then again a2 is your 4, next b1 is your 1, b2 is your -2, similarly c1 is your -6 and c2 is your -4. After that, find out the ratio. So a1 by a2, so I got 2 upon 4. After cancellation, I got 1 by 2. Now let's go to the next one, that is b1 by b2, that is 1 by -2, which is equals to -1 by 2. And the third one, c1 by c2, I got -6 upon -4. So here minus cancel. After cancelling this one, I got, that is 3 by 2. So you observe here what I got. A1 by A2 is equals to 1 by 2, B1 by B2 is equals to -1 by 2 and C1 by C2 is equals to 3 by 2. So here what I found? I found A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. So it means it is a, what are the nature? That it is a intersecting line. What graph you will get? We will get intersecting line. Again, if A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, then the system is consistent. System is consistent. And same, A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2 means the solution will be unique. This is a unique solution. Unique solution means you will get the value of x and y only one means one value for x and another value for y. So now after getting this one, let's go to the solution. So it is a consistency, we are going for the solution. Already you have studies about the solution, how we are going for the solution by graphical method. So first of all, we are going to identify the points. So how you are going to identify the points? So the first equation is 2x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. So it will be 2x is equals to 6 minus y and x is equals to 6 minus y upon 2. Again, we will prepare a box like this. Do you remember this one? While starting this video, we have studied that how you are going to find x and y. Now you are going to identify the coordinates. How you will find our coordinates? That we are going to put the value of y, because here you have to put the value of y, so that we will get the value of x here. So let's put y is equals to 0. When I will put y is equals to 0, what I will get? That is 6 minus 0 by 2. What I got? 6 by 2. My answer is 3. So I got 3 here. Now let's go to the next point. If I will put 2, so what I got? 6 minus 2 by 2. I got 4 upon 2. After cancellation, I got 2. Now again, let's go for suppose -2. If I put -2, this is 6 minus of -2 by 2. So I got 6 plus 2 by 2. That I got 8 by 2. Answer is your 4. Let's take one more point. Let's take is equals to 4, for example. So 6 minus 4 upon 2. I got 2 upon 2. After cancellation, I got 1. So this is the solution for the first equation. So here we got the 4 points. So you have remember the first will be of your x value, second will be of your y value. Similarly go for the second one, that is b 2 2. Then go for the next one, c is equals to 4 minus 2. Let's go for the next one, d is equals to 1 4. These are the 4 points I got from here. Now let's go to the second equation. So now we are going for the next one. So next one is your 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. We have to do that method, that is 4x is equals to 2y plus 4, then x is equals to 2y plus 4 upon 4. So now we are going for the coordinates. So how you are going for the coordinates? Just make a box like this, and in that box x, y, we are going to find 4 points. So let us suppose the value of y is equals to 0. So what will happen here? X is equals to 2 into 0 plus 4 upon 4, that is 0 plus 4 by 4. We got 4 by 4 is equals to 1. So I got 1 here. Now let's take the value of y is equals to suppose 2. So if I will put 2 here, so what I got? 2 into 2 plus 4 by 4. This is 4 plus 4 by 4, that is 8 by 4. I got answer 2. So when I will take the value of x is equals to 2, I got y is also equals to 2. Let's go for the next one. If I will take y is equals to minus 2. So what I will got? 2 into minus 2 plus 4 divided by 4. I got minus 4 plus 4 by 4, that 0 by 4 I got 0. If the value of y is equals to minus 2, what I got? 0. Let's go for the last point. In that last point, we will find, let us take, this is for example 4. So 2 into 4 plus 4 by 4, 8 plus 4 by 4, that is 12 by 4. I got answer as 3. So we already found the 4 points for first equation ABCD. Let's go for the next point. C is equals to 1 0, sorry not C, let's take E 1 0, F 2 2, then G 0 minus 2, and H 3 4. So these are the coordinates of your two equations. So after that, it's told that if consistent, we are going for the solution graphically. So let's go for the next thing, that is graphical method. So from the previous two equations, we got the points, that is A30, B22, 3C4 minus 2, D14, E10, F22, G0 minus 2, and H is equals to 3 4. So that we are going to plot. Let's go for the first one. Point A is equals to 3 0. So let's start with it. So this is go on to 3 and 0. This is the first point, that is point A 3 0. Now next point, that is B 2 2. So from here 2 again go to up to, this is 2 2. This is point B 2 2. Now let's go to third point, that is C 4 minus 2, means you start from here 1 2 3 4, then go down. This is the point, that is C 4 minus 2. Now the last point, that is D 1 4. So D, start from here, this is 1, then go to up 1 2 3 4. Now we got 4 points. Now join the points. So when you join the points, you will get a straight line. You will get a straight line. This is the straight line you got for the equation number 1. Now go for the second point, that is E10. E10. Start from here. This is 1 and this is 0. This is first point, E10. Now go for the next one, that is F22. 2 2. This is the same point, that is F22. Now let's go for the third point, that is 0 minus 2. This is 0 and this is minus 2. 0 minus 2. Now the last point, h is equals to 3, 4. So start from here, 1, 2, 3, then go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Now join the line. So here you find that both the lines intersect each other at point 2, 2, which means the solution of this two pair of linear equation is this one. Means at which point they are intersecting, that will be the solution of the equation. So this is the solution. So at last we can write the solution of the lines intersect at point 2, 2. Hence solution of the equation is x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2. So from this, what you understand, if you have a pair of linear equations and after obtaining the consistency and how the line will be before plotting graphically, so at last after plotting we found that the two lines are intersecting at some point and that point will be the the solution of the pair of linear equation. So thank you for watching.